Creating a credit bundle is quick and easy with FastCredit Pro. Here is how to create a FastCredit bundle in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create a new WooCommerce product. Step 2. Select the product type. In this case we will use the simple product. FastCredit Pro supports variable products and subscription products when used with the WooSubscriptions plugin. Step 3. Enter the price of the product and set a credit value. This is the amount of credit the customer will receive after payment. Set any other relevant product settings such as virtual or shipping. Once done, hit save. You now have a product ready for your customers to add to their cart and check out with. Once purchased, they will have a credit balance to purchase credit items from your store. Get FastCredit Pro now at fastflow.io/FWC Pro.